Hello everybody, here's video 3 again. Today it's about perseverance. Stick to your plan. Um, Push through, even if it's difficult. And the first video was about you had your 2 pages, your unpleasant and your pleasant. Then what you like in your life, what you don't like in your life, you neglect it, go to the first video, do it, start with it. Second video guides you further, one step further, and it's about repetition. And the third video, now this video is about perseverance. That means even if it's difficult, you can push through, and how you train it and how you work it. And some people ask me, Kat, I want to do this exercise. I saw your first video, I saw your second video, but my old thoughts are more in my thoughts, are stronger, are I cannot switch over to the new thoughts, even if I want it. It's a wish. It's difficult, and then I give you a tip to make it easy. Okay, so to be persistent, that means go on and on and on and on. You can learn this in your daily life. And how you learn this in your daily life to be persistent is very easy. During the day, for example, you stand up, you make your bed. For me, I don't put the sheets on the bed. I open the bed, but nicely. Then you put on your clothes and you hang your clothes that you slept in, or you put it on the place where it should belong. Then you open the closet, you close the closet. You make your breakfast, you put everything on its place again. So it means that you learn to finish what you start. But the little daily tasks, for example, you go to the toilet, you close the lid, you close the light, you close the door. So you are exercising yourself or training yourself to be persistent. That means you start something, you finish it. And it doesn't need to be very big, For example, you want to make a cake and you get a phone call and you don't finish off your cake, whatever. It doesn't mean that. I don't mean that. I mean all the daily tasks. You come home, you take out your shoes, put your shoes on the place where they belong. Just put them on the place you belong, and you will see your life will be a nice life and a good chi in the house, but also you know exactly where everything is, and you get peace, but also you get this inner power, like that, what you need just to push through. And now in these times, with a lot of changes, you have to have this perseverance. You have to have this, come on, we can do more. And in the army, for example, or the police, they train, but they overtrain it, of course, because if they're in life threat, they have to have this power, perseverance power. But we don't need that at the moment. Maybe some people, but I don't mean that. I mean that you want to change your life, you want to change your quality of life, you want to be the master of your life, what you want, what you like, what you wish in your life. Then you have to have this perseverance. So if it's tough, then you have this little bit that pushes you through, that makes you stronger, that for example, a friend of yours has difficult times, then you have this energy to say, come on girl or boy, let's do this, I am behind you, I feel this power. Or if you have difficulties, like you're on your own in your apartment, you cannot go outside, it's locked down, then you can say, come on, make it a beautiful day, make it a day worthwhile. And also with these two pages, you don't want and you want, that's what you don't want, you neglect, and that what you wish in your life, or you already have in your life, you make more, you create more. So more of these thoughts, more of these images, more of these pleasant emotions where your body relaxes from. So that means that you need to go on and on and on, and then you need this power, this pushing power, and you can train that during your day in the little tasks you do. Take your coat off, hang it on the where your coat should be. You eat, clean up. It doesn't mean that you have to do the dishes every time. Just clean up. That is clean. That's the energy, the chi of the house can freely flow in your environment where you live in. That's always much better. And you have this, yes, power, not only for yourself, but maybe for people, from your family, or people you love a lot around you, or neighbors or a friend who has difficult times, whatever. And you push through, you have this. So in your daily life, step by step, finish what you start with mornings. Clean up your bed, then clean up your sleeping clothes, clean up your bedroom, then start in the kitchen, make your breakfast or your juice or whatever, clean it up, and step by step finish what you started. Open something, close it, take something out, put it back on its place, and you will see you train your perseverance, you train this inner power of going on, come on. People say to me, God, you're so strong. I'm not strong. I just, if I want something, I have this inner power that says, that's what I like. That's what my heart makes my heart sing. That's what's my heart, what's the wish in my heart. So why would I stop on my way to it? The way to it is more exciting than to get it. So come on, you can do it. You can do it. A little bit more. Yes? So that's what I want to talk about today. And so keep this unhappy page down and keep this happy page on your eye level. So on your fridge or the wall or your blackboard, whiteboard, whatever, and you see it, read it. That's what I like. For example, my life quality gets higher and higher every day. Even if your destructive side says, yeah, right. Yeah, you have this, come on. Who's the strongest? Who you give more energy to? Your unpleasant or your pleasant? Come on. You can choose. Yes? Okay. So, see you in the next video. Let's do it together. See you soon. Peace.